welcome to my channel. It's Pamela here. Tonight is the 12th and final night in the 12 Days of Christmas series that I've been doing. Variety of videos. If you haven't caught them all, please check out the playlist. There's something for everyone in there, so I do hope you find something that you enjoy. Before I start and before I forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me a comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you want more crafty videos. So tonight, I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much to everyone that's subscribed to the channel during this series. I've had loads of new subscribers, loads of lovely comments on here and over on Facebook, and I just really appreciate that you've all taken time out to watch my videos and just leave comments, interact. It's been really nice, like just coming on every night, doing a different tutorial, project share, walkthroughs. Been a lot of fun, and really it's been like my start to YouTube. I've had a few mini album walkthroughs prior to this, but this is like where I've really kind of got started. So just thank you all so much. It's really truly appreciated. Tonight I decided, like, it's just a spontaneous giveaway, just to say thank you to, just for being here, really, joining me on this journey. I'm going to do a walkthrough for the 12th night, well, flip through of this Flipbook, and it's here. I've used the, I'm sure you all recognize it by now, it's the Prima Sugar Cookie Christmas collection. I've made a cute but simple Flipbook, stuffed it with like bits and pieces that I've been using throughout, and I'm going to be sending that to, or this, to someone subscribed to the channel, just to say I really appreciate your support. So yeah, stay tuned to the end to find out if it could be you. So don't want to take up too much of your time, so I'm just gonna start straight with the flip through now. So yeah, it's a, I've forgotten the measurements. It's 3.5 by, I was gonna say 3.5 by 4, but that doesn't sound right. Yeah, no, hold on 1 second, I'll grab my ruler. And sorry about that. I'd love to say I'm normally a bit more prepared, but oops, and that's the envelope there. Yeah, it's 3.5 by 5 inches Flipbook. Really simple to do. Talk maybe more about how it's made like after I flip through it, but we've got you can't really see the paper that I've used, but it was one of the papers underneath with the houses on. I've used one of the 3x4 journaling card that says Santa Sweet on the front, and got that really cute Santa with all the like pink accents. And then I've used bits and pieces of the chipboard stickers on the cover and throughout. Just got one little heart die cut here. Got one of those satin crystals, the white ones, and just get that gorgeous sparkle. Yeah, you've got the chipboard skates here. A little, what do we call them? I keep referring to these as journaling cards or journaling spots, but they're obviously not. But it's just a chipboard sticker of a receipt, I guess. Got a snowman here and a couple of chipboard hearts. When we open it up to the first page, we've got, I've used this nice pink die cut here, and I've just put a little cut apart there that says a sugar sweet Christmas with you, and I've used a gorgeous I guess it's a deer with the Christmas hat and all the poinsettias around it. So I've just basically embellished that page, and on this side we've got this little tuck spot here. Got a gorgeous paper with Santa and the deers behind, and in the tuck spot I've basically put like mostly one of each of the journaling cards that are in the collection, all 3x4 journaling cards. So I mean, I know it's a bit late to reach someone for this year's Christmas projects, but you know, always good to have these things in your stash, and at least next year, if you haven't got this collection already, there's a bit of variety. Also on this page we've got a little tuck spot on the top, and I had one of these, well I had two, there's one in the next as well, but one of the tags left over, so I've just stuck that in up there. The next page I've put these cute cut aparts as well. Christmas is a feeling that lasts forever, and you've got the cute snowman on the other one on the bottom. Got this really cute chipboard sticker up here with the deer, and I put a die cut Christmas tree, the pink Christmas tree with a little chipboard present there. It's the same layout as the first page, and over here I've die cut a load of Christmas bauble decorations, and yeah, just included those in that pocket. So yeah, all pink and white, matching the collection, so they should come in handy for whoever receives this. We've got the gorgeous musical notes paper there in the background, I think a bit of paper there, and yeah, another tuck spot on the top. I'm trying to like make sure that I'm in the frame. Got another, matches that cut apart there, got the other tag up there, that just, these just slot in up at the top. Keep finding bits of paper. On the next page I've just put two cut aparts here, those gorgeous pink meringues, and you've got Santa on his skates there, passing by to say happy holidays. And I've used two more of the chipboard stickers here, that cute snowman in the green, and then the green and pink poinsettias. I was going to put a small envelope on the inside of the flipbook, just to put the rest of the stuff that I'm throwing in into, but yeah, it was getting a little bit chunky once it's got the die cuts and everything in there, so I basically just used two die cuts to decorate the top here, layered those, and then layered it with one of the pieces of ephemera from the collection. And yeah, the back is this really gorgeous corner of one of the papers, that really cute snowman in there. So yeah, I think it's really cute. Every time I was gonna say, like, yeah, for those that don't know, like my first foray, I guess, into crafting, after I started pen paling, I got into Happy Mail, and yeah, flipbooks were my first love. So got to go back to my roots and do something that I could basically use as a way to put all the bits and pieces in. But yeah, it turned out not to be big enough, so we've got that flipbook there with the die cuts and the journaling cards inside. And then from the same collection, I used one of the papers to make this really cute envelope. I haven't used anything to seal the back of it, just because I thought, like, a lot of people pen pal, and you know, they might want this envelope to use to send to someone. You just need an address label on the front, just so it's legible. So yeah, they might want to put glue here. Normally if I was sending it to someone in a swap, I'd probably just put like Velcro tabs, something like that. But yeah, they might want to glue it, so I've just left that closed like that. And then inside there are a few other bits and pieces. You can see like all the cute little cutter parts on the back of that paper there. I mean, if they wanted to, they could always take that apart, and I don't know, you'd have the score lines in there now. But yeah, I mean, if they really wanted to, could take that apart and use those cutter parts too. So yeah, I didn't get around to using all of the flowers that I've got, so I've added a pack of these really cute white poinsettias. I think you get about 8 in there. I think you guys know I'm really short-sighted already. Looks like about 8. There are also some more of the cutter parts here. So yeah, I've got these cutter parts. These are also bits of ephemera. It's larger pieces. Got quite a few. I think I've got these upside down. Yeah, a few different cutter parts in here as well. Be really handy maybe for making like a Christmas pocket letter or something like that. These are the journaling cards that just wouldn't fit in the Flipbook, and just because I thought they went nicely with the collection of all the pinks, just a few what do we call them, like sheets of stickers there as well. So that is all of that. And Project Share, really simple Flipbook to make. I'll just quickly, so the Flipbook is basically, I got the paper pad I had is an 8x8, so I've trimmed it down to 5 inches, so it's a 5x8. I've scored it, like if we go from this way, it's scored at 3.5 and then again at 7. And if you can make out, this is all one paper, so here, and then it folds over the last 1 inch, and then this would be another sheet of paper. This with the musical notes, and then this is all another 8-inch wide piece of paper, scored at 3.5 and then 7 again, folded over. And then the last, well, the first one, but the order we're going is the last one. This is all one piece of paper, and then that also folds over the front there. I was going to still like, so there's a 1 inch where it's folded over underneath, and I was going to leave that still as like a tuck spot, but yeah, I just thought it was nice with one of the journaling cards on, so I kind of glued it down and put a journaling card on top. And so yeah, you'd score it like that. You line it up with like you get your first spot, like first paper, this is one sheet, fold over the 1st inch, fold it in half on the like 3.5 inches along, and then you'd get your second sheet, which would be this one. You would tuck the second sheet over the first one. It might be easier just to show you guys one day. When you kind of put them together, you're only gluing around the edges. I mean, you could glue it all, but then you lose the tuck spot up the top. So you just glue around the edges. It's then that you glue just your top and bottom of the 1 inch flap, and that leaves you with the tuck spot. Yeah, so I've got 3 here. You could add another one even, so if we had a piece of paper, say that, if we imagine these are pieces of paper, this would be 3.5, scored here at 3.5, another 3.5, and then it'd be a 1 inch, like, folded over there. So when we put these two together, we'd just glue around the edges, place that on. We'd have our other side of the paper there, and then we'd tuck that last 1 inch over and glue the top and bottom down. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, that is basically how you assemble this really simple mini album. And I like it because you can fit a few tags on that in the top, but I like just so you've got loads of space for embellishment, but then you've also got a nice tuck spot. It's like the whole page. So yeah, that is the flip book and all the contents going along with it. The person I'm going to send this to has been a massive support. They comment on every single video that I've done. I know they watch the videos the whole way through just because of like what the comments are saying. Like they're kind of giving me a running commentary on the video, and I just really am so thankful just that people are engaging. It's just really nice to know when you're making the videos, somebody out there wants to watch them and someone appreciates like what you're doing. And just yeah, because of that support, I love always, you know, trying to say thank you back. It's nice to be nice, treat people the way you like to be treated. So this person always supports me. Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know if I've done a video that they haven't commented on and just shown like so much support and lots of love from them. So this is going out to Melissa. You'll obviously know who you are. If you can get in touch with me so I can get this sent out to you, I'd really be happy to. I was going to say like I'd really be glad to, but yeah, if you could get in touch just so I can get this sent out to you in the next few days. I'm so sorry that it's not going to make it to you for this year's Christmas projects, but yeah, I hope that you know you don't mind that, and you know you can still use the stickers now. But yeah, hopefully you can still use that cute envelope. Hopefully you just like the flip book anyway, and just stick it in your stash until next year. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. Always love your support. You never know when I'm going to do another random giveaway just to say thank you. So yeah, please make sure you subscribe to make sure you catch it when I do. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and obviously leave a comment. So thank you so much for joining me throughout the series, guys, and I will be back very soon. Take care. Bye bye.